Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Daily AI. Every beginner asks the same question. Which e-commerce partner is actually the best for dropshipping? Because choosing the wrong one can cost you time, money, and your motivation. But choosing the right one? It can launch your business in a single weekend. Today, I'll show you the best e-commerce partners for dropshipping and what makes each one powerful for beginners and professionals. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to build your online store, this video will finally give you clarity. Let's start with the platforms that dominate 2025. Shopify. Shopify is the most popular dropshipping platform in the world, and there are two reasons why. Reason one, powerful integrations. Shopify connects perfectly with tools like DSers, Zendrop, AutoDS, and print-on-demand apps. Everything works together like one big machine. Reason two, professional design without skills. Shopify themes look clean, modern, and trustworthy. Even if you have zero experience, you can create a store that feels like a real brand. Shopify is perfect for beginners, but also strong enough for people who want to scale to six figures. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is for people who want full control. Reason one, it's extremely customizable. You can change anything: design, checkout, layout, and plugins. Your store becomes 100% unique. Reason two, much cheaper long-term. The platform itself is free and hosting costs only a few dollars per month. For many beginners on a budget, WooCommerce saves hundreds of dollars each year. WooCommerce is perfect if you want freedom and if you like building things your own way. 3. Gelato for print-on-demand. Gelato is not a full store builder, but for print-on-demand dropshipping, it's a game changer. Reason 1. Global production. Your products ship from the closest factory to the customer. That means faster shipping, lower costs, and happier customers. Reason 2. High-quality designs. Gelato gives you templates and AI tools to create t-shirts, posters, phone cases, home decoration without needing a designer. If you want to sell creative products, Gelato is the easiest way to start. So, which is the best e-commerce partner? Shopify, easiest and most powerful overall. WooCommerce, cheapest and fully customizable. Gelato, Yamana, perfect for print-on-demand creators. Each platform offers something different, but all of them give you the chance to build a real online business in 2025. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI videos. Together, we'll build your future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.